Welcome. If you want to clean storage in your LG G6, let's go for the settings, go for the general, and right now enter the storage. Click right here to free up the space. And right now we can choose a category to see unnecessary items that we can delete. So let's check the download folder. And for example, I can just delete this benchmark. Okay, we have to delete all of these files. And then we can select, maybe we can select this one and also this one, click delete. And we can also enter the raw files and the cache data. So select, click delete. And as you can see, it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!